Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute. I can remember me, Saseni. How are you feeling? How are you? Like, how is life taking you, and which part of the world are you watching me from? It's my pleasure, man, to be here with you. Like, I've really missed hanging with you and just talking with you guys. Like, man, it's been a minute since I held the camera to like just talk to you. I've been vlogging, like just having my video diaries and capturing little bits of moments here and that when I remember to vlog, because where a lot has been going on and processing all that has been like a bit much. So I've just been doing it like kidogo, like planning on like just seeing how to balance everything else. And being a content creator plus mom plus full-time home manager plus like creative, like oh my god, like it's a lot. So yeah, this is just me right now. Nimejikunja tu hapa chini so that I just speak to you, because plus that hakuna place penye the lighting is good and then outside kuna kelele, like the neighboring school. But anyway, it is what it is, and we just said there's no excuse. Today we are having this vlog out and we you get to see it. So I hope that you've been keeping well and life has been kind to you and has been good to you, and above all I hope that you have been intentional with yourself every single day, even on the days that you sleep, forget it, but keep going, keep being intentional with everything that you want to do. Enjoy the next series of video vlogs. I hope they make you feel good, they make you feel light, they make you feel seen, or even just break some boredom. If you have like something to say, please drop it on the comment section. Like, the engagement is what we're looking for. Please don't hold your thoughts. Just say whatever you want to say on the comment section. Please don't come on WhatsApp. Don't say on WhatsApp. Like, it doesn't hold water on WhatsApp. Okay, it does for me, but then because we want to grow our Dallah, so we have to just comment that. Like, you get my drift. Anyway, yeah. And then subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please to the channel, subscribe, because there is so much more coming in store for you, and I can't wait to share with you all the things that are happening right now. Like, you remember on the first vlog, I think the second one, I told you that you will see the hand of God in me in these vlogs, in this YouTube channel. Well, very soon you're about to see all of that and more, and you're just going to be so amazed, and your faith is going to be reaffirmed in God, because you'll just be like, if God did it for Dallah, God can do it for me. So anyway, enjoy the vlogs, guys. Watch an any more miss. Can you tell? Like, I can't stop yapping, I can't stop talking, I just want to keep talking. Bye.
Let me have a surprise.
Guys, good morning. So sunny, like chef of the day, give us your outfit of the day.
My bag is from my mom's bedroom. My top is Sahari Chicken Max. My short is from
your jots.
My jots are from H&M. My shoes are Guess.
Let me shook 'em, you guys. Shook 'em. Ai, akizi viatu neni kali. Guys, msijali nitamuingiza box ni baki nazo before.
My chain is from H&M. My earrings are from Shein.
And body by Ochieng and Akinyi.
And Aura and Beauty from God, my Father in heaven.
I love that you remembered God in all this. Let's go. You check the Osabuko. Guys, nimewambia today I'm vlogging. You'll just see.
My banners are Bradley.
Once a village girl, always a village girl.
Yeah, man. You must.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Okay, sasa tunaibulo kwanza, alafu ndio tui.
We're just roasting it and a charcoal to give it some taste and to let the water drip off and to melt a bit of the fats. Yeah.
Nadia, why are you passing in my video?
Giving it an African. Yes, Terence.
Salipata ya kwanza. Bwana, hata mimi nasikia jana. Ndio nilikuwa nauliza huyu mtasis.
Nipange meza tena.
Babji, what's your favorite mom dish? Your favorite mom dish?
What's that one thing that I cook?
I knew it, yeah. Oh, that is so nice to know. Bado unapendanga pancakes za mami.
Pancake syrup, sindio?
Maple chocolate syrup. a mother-son, time for dates, time for lunch, time for cooking.
Train them up early.
I know. Teach them basic human skills. Wasiengojanga ati girlfriend ndiye anakuja kumpikia.
Wasidhani it's cool to not know how to cook. Nah.
Babju, umesikia? You have to cook. You have to know how to cook. Wewe unajua kupika lakini.
Fine.
Hey, madam, your jewelry is popping.
Old money.
Popping. Jewelry na pop kweli kwa nini? Then imeshika hii part.
Romanticize your life even in the kitchen.
Radley. You know. Radley. Yes.
And water.
Nails.
Are you seeing my nails?
I'm seeing your old money nails, baby girl. Hey, done. Enye hii cinematic ni fiti. Hello, you.
Wellington.
Why did it look like an old man from Game of Thrones?
Nani?
See bad. Check macho yake inakaa those two old people who are Game of Thrones. Straight from church. I feel like such a church girl today. Hey. Tumetoka kanisa. So the game is, if you're the one who drops it, you buy a shot. Yep.
Something is wrong.
My shot is coming, guys.
Mama can't be the one.
Meti mgapi onyako wadu watuko. Guy, umeweza?
400, 800, 1200. Na black label 5000. It's a black label.
Hawa wasichana wasikima ne.
Leo tunacheza Arsenal.
Ni Arsenal. Please, mimi ni mtu wa Manchester. Sorry guys. Bro yao gladly. This game is that game for kuamsha mtu Sunday akikuwa mgonjwa. For real. Cause what? Ana short glass ndio tujue ni shots. Kuna short glass. Eka tu nitakuonyesha. Nati gaibanda lomoko kanyolweta TL single.
Baba ni mani.
Ario double. Babu wanenga gaba milongo niko na banyako. Kikipenja kendo nibamba ni mani seti.
Boyfriend. Very wrong choices.
Rainbow. I got a rainbow. Oh my word.
Hapana chakula. Sana kata.
We're about to surprise Tawi.
Uchague zako 3 favorite zako.
Aye. Oh wow. Puma baby. Si Puma ni Puma.
Mau. Sasa nachukua gani?
Kwa ile ya
Chan Bossy Nails. Leo tuna restore order.
Hi, hello.
Kuna mtu on my YouTube aliniambia Letitia brought me here. Ni comment hivyo, hi Letitia brought me here.
Zaima. That must be Zaima.
Nikuweke zote? Sawa. Content creator. Dames wamekujia Smoky. Amesema hajaonja pasua in a minute. Hey. Happy Labor Day. Msichana naye alitoa eyebrows zote na kata sina eyebrows yao. Ni watu mane. Yote. Hello. Amose. This is where we are going. Alliance. Hatujai kuja huku by the way. Or rather mimi sijai kuja huku.
Nishai kuja December 25th.
Tunatafuta sport ligingo ya kutoa lock.
Guy, kuna nini hapo kwa vlog?
Wase tunatafuta sport ya kutoa lock. We've come here to bury a friend of ours. So we are looking for a place where we can just breathe a little. Zero one day we are.
Yeah, I am.
Take a look. Hey. You know, I was almost changing my outfit to amevaa dress. I was just like, that's a woman. She's always a lady like, man. But yeah, I'll catch you later. Bye.
Leah, let her bin.
Learning how to use the dishwasher. Isikuwe tu ati zinatushtulia kwa movie. Herani. Toka kwa kule
Supu yake.
Oh.
Herani. Stop that. Stop it. Kama ataki kusikia.
Hiyo sasa ni soap gani? Hebu let me see one.
Na hautoi hiyo jwala?
Itajitoa yenyewe.
Oh.
Herani, stop that.
Interesting. Yeah, okay.
Close it. Then you power.
Tuesday. Nimemaliza school drop off. Yeah. Heading back home. Good morning, my trees. Good morning. How are ya? Happy Tuesday. Command this day to be beautiful. Actually, I'm craving my solo moments. Gosh. But yeah, another day to be busy in the village. Okay, you guys, can you imagine my sister hajai kula Rolex? Na smocha ati anakula hii Rolex for the first time. Akisilikati huku kama tu uko bado huko Kenya huku waipika chapo na asubuhi kula na mayai. Hello. Are you for real?
I don't even cook chapati. You know how much time it takes me to cook chapati?
Guys, hello. Say hi to Tawi saying hi. Okay, say what you want to say.
Ma.
Me. Is that confident boy? Is that confident boy?
No.
Ai. Aki imagine she's enjoying. Alafu sasa huyu msichana amenunua nilikuwa nimebuy tu chapo tatu. I ate one, Tawi ate one. Okay, in defense mimi nilikula moja na nusu. Sasa I have to go and get chapo again and make for her another one because yes, utamiss. Kai. Wacha nikulete chapo. Sina ni hapa tu nyuma ya fence yetu. Ni kando ya Neli hapo si mbali. Wacha nilete. So let's go and get chapati and make for her Rolex again. Okay, but I'm sorry guys. This is not us. This is not our camera. Good morning. I love this morning. This stretch to home. It's my favorite road ever. Like, I really love it. Yeah. To think that this was only once a bush and my dad like used to lima here because it was road reserve, but right now it's like one of my favorite roads. Nasemanga, this is my private road. It's my private road now, guys. It's not a ring road, it's my private road. It's my vlogging road. Home, but I choose to just use the road. It's my private road. But anyway, this is my favorite stretch in the morning. You know what I said, the girls. That one.
Kama ilishika mama Nadia.
Kisipi ya kawaida. Unapaka kontu. Asipaki kantu.
Kantu.
Huyu anafanya kazi kwa gharama yake. Kantu mambo ya nini hapa sasa?
Ati kantu ni product.
Na mtustiki na kantu. Nani? Anyango.
Cliff. Breakfast ya Kishua. Breakfast for champions. Ndio hiyo. Kai, mbona nimeka sugar kwa chai ya mtu? Mimi nilikuwa natumia glass.
We are in the village. Hey. It's coming. Awach nigiranga gidich kodaman piny gom na uwi. I don't know what's new. Hey, they are coming Dallah. Hey. Aki wanaangalia. God forbid.
Super, super, super happy Mother's Day, guys. I am super happy and grateful for this Mother's Day because it's the first Mother's Day in the man's commons China Dallah. Also, there's this thing that I normally do on every Mother's Day is avoid social media because yeah, inakwanga too trigger for me, inakwanga very sad for me, inakwanga very emotional for me. But today I'm trying to like have a different Mother's Day. First thing that in Inibamba, guys, I didn't even know until Leonie Mother's Day. Can you imagine? Missy Kwadajwa until my neighbor's daughter, Zandi, I love that girl. She came to me and she's just like, Happy Mother's Day, Mama Tali. Oh, I can live right in the morning, like the second person I interacted with. Yeah, the first person, the second after Tawi, the second person I interacted with this morning was just her, and she was like, Happy Mother's Day, Mama Tawi. And then she came back, she went and drew for me like love hearts and colored, and then brought for me like, hold on, let me show you. Tawi anawatch vitu zake kama, but I want to show you what Zendaya drew for me. This is what Zandi drew. Happy Mother's Day, Mama Tawi.
If it cracks open, it'll cause a massive
So I just want to do dishes. No. Okay, but don't you can't take it. It has too much sugar. Like the kitchen is in a mess. I'm not checking. It's in a mess. I'm going to the supermarket to buy like this curry powder. I want to do dishes, mop the house, like just reset, clean up, and then know what's up for the day. Yeah, so nimeanza na pantry. I want to panga my pantry over here and then get to cleaning the house. So see ya on the next vlog. Happy Mother's Day to you, darling. Your mommy is a chef. Suckers, getting new suckers for the garden. Ooh, hiyo ni kubwa mama Ethan. Upike ama uipande? Oh. Guys, look at this garden. Garden ni sukuma inatoshana na mimi.
Unajua nataka kuchuna hiyo sukuma. Uende kupanda na hiyo ni.
Ha? This is officially my private road. I know Ring Road. Okay, this is one of my favorite roads right now. I have a private road to myself. Morning. No kutoka shule. School. The school drop. Bye. Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're kuingia Aces Arusha. Oh, Ahuda. And I'll never miss you. To you once again, please understand. It's love. Apparently kuna story tunaona umdem. Kuna story umdem anangoja mimi nimwambie. Ananingoja mimi nimwambie story yenye aki nilipanga vizuri mpaka nikamwambia the next day tuna debrief. Right now, bro, I don't know hiyo ilikuwa story gani.
Alikuwa ananiambia nikuja asubuhi na mapema. Nikakuja. So what if I knocked? Because I came nikipitia nikaenda place nilikuwa naenda. Nikapata kama mlango imefungwa. So I was like, kamera ni bovu. Niko fiti. Oh, tukapua. Nikakuja. Sasa ulikuwa ungeniambia nini na nilikuwa nishafika kama ningekupata.
Ungekunywa tu chai yake. So apparently I read on a video, actually listened to a video on TikTok. Na sijui kama ni ukweli that hiyo ni trauma. Like so many bad things have happened to me that hata siwezi kumbuka vitu. But I'm just like, but mbona sikumbuki hata vitu mzuri basi. Like I should not be remembering the bad ones if it's trauma. Like me, I don't remember like bad. Like unaweza jua hata let's say msi alinikosea 2 years ago, but now to get into the nitty-gritties of like that thing, I'll just know like what I've named it. Like I knew you gaslit me, I knew you emotionally abused me, but now to get into the nitty-gritties mpaka ni explain bedha hiyo siku ukasema hivi nikasema hivi, I think kuna vitu zingine misa I can't remember. Like najua tu mse alikuwa toxic kwangu and I can tell tulikuwa hata let's say tulikuwa segaloji usiku. But then the thing I won't remember is the little details, like unajua venye unaweza kuwa unajua conversation like I'm like no, but when I told you to come ulisema no, mimi sitaki kukuja. Mimi sitakumbuka hizo details like
nitakumbuka. Okay, the part where your mind ina forget ni kama you've gone through something traumatizing, so brain yako inajaribu kuprotect. Yeah, that's what I heard from that YouTube video. Like it's a coping mechanism for someone who's had like mental strain for a minute. And boy, oh boy, aren't I the queen of mental strain though? It gets better.